So, Cheryl, we have been dating for over 16 years. And I know I've asked you to marry me 17 times, but I think this one is really the right time. Cheryl, will you marry me? Cheryl. Cheryl! Will you marry me? I told you what you're supposed to say! You're supposed to say frickin' yes! Ugh. Cheryl, will you marry me? Yes, I will marry you. Oh. Thank you so much. When we get married.